Reggae Girls assistant coach Dean Burton says that they are not perturbed by their recent record as they gear up to face world number 1 ranked USA in their friendly international in St. Louis, Missouri at 7 this evening Jamaica time. The Jamaicans have suffered back-to-back defeats at the hands of Mexico, while the Americans are coming off a 3-0 win against China on Sunday. The last time the two nations met each other, the USA blanked the Jamaicans 5-0 in 2022.
The opposition that we've been playing recently and the caliber of them shows that, one, we're privileged to be able to play them and be asked to play them in certain situations, and also to pit our wits against the top quality opponents, and it can only make us better no matter the result, but the experience and putting ourselves into unknown territory as such with great opponents, and it can only benefit us in the long run.
Burton, who will guide the team in the absence of head coach Hubert Busby, says it's the lessons that can come from the encounter that they're looking forward to.
Look, we have to remember, from the background, we're all professional, we all want to win, and like you said, no one wants to win more than me, but we have to look at the bigger picture, like we keep coming back to. And as long as we're developing and we're learning and the information is getting into the players and they're understanding their jobs and responsibilities for the end goal, which is the World Cup qualifiers, these friendlies are just a facilitation of that to help us on our journey to get to where we want to get.
Exciting young Charlton athletic forward Tyrese Campbell is the only newcomer named in the Reggae Boys squad for the upcoming CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers against the British Virgin Islands and Guatemala. The 24-man squad was announced on Tuesday morning. 22-year-old Campbell was pivotal in helping Charlton Athletic gain promotion from League One to the Championship in England last month. He's also teammate with current Reggae boy Kaheem Dixon, who has also been called up. Striker Roman Burrell, who was called up for the first time at the recent Unity Cup, has also been included. Cavaliers Richard King and Dwayne Atkinson, as well as Mount Pleasant's Kyle Ming and Shaquan Davis, are the local-based players included. Meanwhile, experienced players Captain Andre Blake, Damian Lowe, Leon Bailey, Damari Gray, Joel Latibader, and Jamali Wade, who missed the recent Unity Cup, returned to the squad. There is, however, no place for regular striker Shamar Nicholson, while experienced defender Ethan Pinnock misses out due to injury. The Reggae Boys play away to the British Virgin Islands this Saturday, June 7, before facing Guatemala at the National Stadium next week, Tuesday, June 10. Jamaica's Andre Russell says he's eager to get back to the international game after being named in the West Indies squad to face England in 3 T20 games starting June 6. Russell makes a return to the team after sustaining an injury during the first match of last year's series against England in Barbados.
Looking forward to those 3 T20s. I think, with what's going on with the games and England up 2-0 in the series, I think, getting there, I think that will give us a motivation to at least try and clinch the T20 series. So, yeah, I still have a bit in me, and I'm just taking it series by series, tournament by tournament, step by step.
Russell, who has been in and out of the squad due to injuries, says he's now ready physically. Former T20 captain Robin Powell has also been named in the squad for both the England and Ireland series, while Brandon King has been granted leave from the Irish leg of the tour, which starts on June 12. Another former captain in Jason Holder also makes a return to the squad for the first time since February 2024. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.